Hey guys, welcome again to my fifth episode of my Pilipinas Air Travel Flight Report series. This is my journey from Davao to Manila via low-cost carrier Cebu Pacific. So this is my first time to fly with Cebu Pacific. It's an Airbus A330, so the biggest airplane of Cebu Pacific. So I'm going to Manila to take my um, vacation. So this is my late vacation because uh, I've been being busy 2 months ago. So this only the time that I will gonna spend my vacation to Manila. So with me, say hi, hi. So it's my cousin Jason Phil. So we're both going to Manila, but sadly we're not taking the same flight since I booked my ticket first. Then when I search the same flight, so there's no slots for him, so I managed to book him on the other flight, but still we're both going to Manila. So enjoy. So we made it here inside Davao International Airport. Now we're heading towards Cebu Pacific Air Chicken Counter to check in our flight from Davao to Manila via 5J8968 bound for Manila. So hey guys, so I managed to check in. So here's my boarding pass. So it's Cebu Pacific Air Flight 5J8968. So it's already June 12, 2014. So our estimated of departure is at 14:25 and arrival will be at 6:10 hours. So boarding time is at 1:55, but still it's already 12:28 in the afternoon. So we are seated 31 fixture, so it's a window seat. So there's my cousin, so he is waiting for her check-in time at 5J596. So pero ang yoon ako ni siya, no? Ang yoon ako ni siya nga makauban na mo sa flight karon sa 5J8968. So I will ask the check-in counter agent to ask if he can board my flight. So yun lang. Managed to check-in, so it's our flight again. So good afternoon ladies and gentlemen. So I'm the one who last board the aircraft. So nagtatakbo ako kasi hinted ko pa yung cousin ko sa gate 8. So it's 5J8968 to 25 in the afternoon ang departure. So we are now boarding here at gate 4. So it's not an Airbus A330, but it's an Airbus A320. So we're boarding. So the line is still long, so we have to wait here until the other passengers are already settled. So we are now falling in line. So we are seated 31 fixture.
Transfer needs to all Cebu Pacific
So we are now already seated here at 31 fixture. So it's an Airbus A320 H214. So it's not an Airbus A330. So still we are seated at seat 31 fixture. So Silk Air Boeing 737-800. So the newest aircraft of Silk Air, and the only international
CebuPacificAir.com.
airline that served
Shop
Davao.
while you fly.
So
Get your
it's
favorite
the
Cebu
flight is
merchandise
Davao to
and
Singapore.
duty-free products from the convenience of your
So we are now push
duty-free
back.
shopping is available on our
So we are now
international flights to and from
readying for
Manila
our
and Cebu.
flight to Manila. So we are still waiting for other passengers to be settled in their assigned seats. So this is my first time to fly with Cebu Pacific, and we'll see what will we find.
Pull the tape to tighten when outside the aircraft. Jerk inflation tags to inflate the vest. Manual inflation tubes are found on both sides. Blow to increase air and push pins inward to release the air. The light will automatically illuminate once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the vest inside the aircraft, and please be reminded that the unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft is a criminal offense. The cabin is pressurized. Should there be a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen mask will automatically drop from the compartments above you. When this happens, immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, put it over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. If you are traveling with a child, first put on your own mask and then the child's mask. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. Please take note of the emergency exits marked along each sides of the cabin and the exit nearest to you. For further information, please refer to the safety instruction cards found in the seat pockets in front of you.
Ito makaagian sa kuwan dito karaan ng sulod. The largest ikot ang regalo. Ikaw ba? Ikaw kasi ko ano ba?
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Manila. We are now taxiing towards AIA Terminal 3 for your proper and safe disembarkation. On behalf of your flight deck crew headed by Captain Nasayo and First Officer Bolser, together with your in-flight cabin crew Josh, Tina, and Maan, this is Nikki thanking you for making Cebu Pacific your airline of choice. It was indeed a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to see you again in one of your future flights. May you enjoy your stay here in Manila. or wherever onward destination may be. Muli marami pong salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagtangkilik at pagsakay sa Cebu Pacific Air. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Once again, as a last safety reminder, please wait for the fasten seatbelt signs to be switched off before standing up to get your bags. Muli, para po sa inyong kaligtasan, hintayin po muna natin mawala ang ilaw sa seatbelt sign bago po tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Inaasahan po namin ang inyong pagsunod.
Just already out here in an Airbus A320 of Cebu Pacific, so we are now deplaning. So welcome here in NAIA Terminal 3. So thank you. Thank you po, sir. Okay, we are now here at Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 3. Shuttle going to the inside of the terminal. So it's a nice experience with Cebu Pacific. So far maganda ang service nila. So we are now here inside the bus. And there's your plane over there. So this is my episode 5 of my Pilipinas Air Travel Flight Report series. So I got a souvenir from Cebu Pacific. It's a Smile magazine. So it's a June edition of Smile magazine. We are now here at the airport of Manila. So welcome here in Manila. Here in Manila, so Ninoy Aquino International Airport. So this is my first time to land here in NAIA Terminal 3. So it's kasi noon, lagi akong nagla-land sa Terminal 4 of this NAIA complex. So, we are now heading towards the baggage claim hall and then proceeding to the arrival area. So, yun lang. So that's the arrival hall there, the baggage claim hall of NAIA Terminal. So we're going down there. So we are using the escalator going down and we are getting our baggage here. So we are now using the stairs. So we are now going down. Okay, we made it here at the baggage claim hall of NAIA Terminal 3. So we are finding our baggage here. So we have just to wait here for my cousin to arrive here. Also came from Davao, so I'll be wait here for him for about a few minutes. She is also riding or flying the Cebu Pacific Air Flight 5J8968. I thought it was an Airbus A330, but unfortunately Airbus A320 came. So the passengers divided into two Airbus A320 arrived in Davao City. So one for me and one for him. So the passengers had been divided into two. So I'm just here in the arrival hall of NAIA Terminal 3. So hintayin ko siya. So I'll check my cellphone first. So we're now here at the arrival of NAIA Terminal 3. So we're just waiting here, and my cousin Brian is already here, and my cousin Jason Phillips. So thank you for watching my 5th vlog here in NAIA Terminal 3. So enjoy.